Hello friends, in this video we will see how to use templates and remix the projects in Lovable AI. In Lovable, we can create new version of existing templates. So how to do that? Let's see the steps. Once you open lovable.dev and log in into the website, you can see in the community section there were different templates and you can use these in your project and even remix so that you can enhance more features to your application. So if you like any of the application from here, you can add it. So first you have to add the template. For that, once you click on the project that you like, and at the top right you see this remix button. When you click on that, it will use that template for your application. So in this way, template is loaded. When you click on this link and click on rename project, you can rename this project with whatever name you want to change. So click on rename project, it will change the project name. Now again, when you click on this and click on settings, here you see this remix project. When you click on remix, it will remix the project. That means it will copy the project so that you can modify and enhance the project with your new features. So this way you can remix any project in the application and enhance it with new features. And you can rename in the same way, clicking on the link and then rename this project. Now you can see when you load the lovable.dev site, here you can see the latest projects that you had created and it's showing here in your workspace. I hope it's clear to you. Kindly like and share the channel. Thank you.